Hi, it's Annelie. Today I want to show you some roses that I make out of these egg cartons. You see them everywhere. It's not, I didn't invent it or anything. This is just my way of I do them, and I like to paint them. You can see I've painted them, and then after that I tear them. So if you don't like this look, you will have to do this and touch it up afterwards. Otherwise you can make them any color you like, any way you like. You can even leave them like this. You can do all sorts of stuff with them. I will show you in another video what you can do with all these. So you need a glue gun, you need white acrylic paint. Any acrylic white paint will work, and you need these egg carton boxes and a brush. So I'm gonna start out by painting them. I'm not going everywhere. I like to do it a little bit rough so that you can still see some of this showing. I like it. So I'm just gonna quickly paint this. As I said, you can do it better or everything, but I like this. So I'm just going to quickly do this, and then I'll come back and I will show you. Okay, these are fairly dry now. The ones with the 12 eggs, yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, oh, 6 or 10, I'm not sure, with a flat lid, they work actually the best, because you need a strip like this also for your inside. I've just taken this from the sides and made a long strip, and you can see I just painted them very random. So what you're going to do now, you need 2 of these for 1 rose. So it's still a little bit wet, but it's okay, we will work around that. So you're going to tear it, or you can use a scissor, and it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to go like that. I will take off the excess later if I feel I need something to make it shorter or so. So for now, you just make yourself a few cups. You can even go around this if it's easier for you, and then handle them one by one. I like to leave them rather ragged and torn like this. I'll just take off the excess. So what you do now, you make it in 4 equal leaves. So I'm just going to go there, 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 and there. So when I'm like that, and like that. So you've got this type of thing that's going on. Okay, so you leave this piece intact, don't tear it up. You just go to the bottom, to the bottom, to the bottom, and then you can make another one or whatever. Then you're going to take your hot glue gun, just going to press a little bit of glue inside there, and put this one you can see that one overlaps that one. Put it in like that. If you like, you can do more than 2 as well, 2 petals. I'm not too worried. I don't love perfect stuff, so just overlap again. So now you can see where that one is. You've got to overlap. A little bit of glue and overlap. Okay, so there you've got them. Now what you do now is you take your long piece of egg carton and you just roll it up. When you get there, I'm thinking I'm going to use that for my top. You're going to put in a little bit of glue. You're going to just uncoil it a little bit like that. You're going to drop that in there. Now, if you want a rose that's fuller like this one, you'll need to put in more like that. So, as I said, I haven't got that top part or the egg carton, so I'm just going to use this to fill that one up. I'm just going to drop in a little bit of glue there. I'm just going to drop that one in there. If you've got a long enough strip, you don't need to do this, alright? I just want to make mine a little bit fuller, and then you can just press it, turn it up. You can even put another layer if you want a bigger rose. You see, you can make it a full big rose. So it all depends. You can maybe use the white and put this one inside here, but that's all to it. I'll show you another one, and then I'll show you what you can do with this later. Okay, so this one is one layer. This one, what I mean is it's got 2 layers, and this is the coil inside. So this is 2 layers. I'm going to drop in another one there just to show you, to make it fuller. Just put some of my glue, overlap it, drop in another one like that, and then I'm going to do my coil for inside. So you can decide how many layers you want to put on, how many petals. It's up to you. Doesn't really matter, it's preferences. So I've got my coil. I'm going to use the flat side for inside my rose. So I'm just going to put my glue. And I'm going to drop that in there that it can uncoil a little bit. I'm just going to press it down. So now you can see this is the rose with the 2 layers, and this one has got the 3 layers. And that's all to it. So I hope you will make yourself a lot of them. I just want to show you quickly what I usually do with them, and then I'm going to try something next also in another video that I will show you. I haven't gift wrapped this, but you can even use newspaper to put on this. It looks very nice with your roses, or you can leave it as is, or whatever your preferences is. If you put this on your gift, you can see how beautiful it looks. And if you really want, you can even make yourself leaves. So there you are. A cheap, nice idea, great recycling, and it costs you nothing. A little bit of glue and that's it. A little bit of paint. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can get future uploads of my videos, and I will see you next time.